Well, from Ohio to Florida, where there is outrage tonight over newly released body cam footage showing the arrests of several people accused of voter fraud. A 2018 state constitutional amendment restored the right to vote for many ex-felons, but confusion remains over the law 4 years later. Here's CBS's Ed O'Keefe.
In footage obtained by CBS News on August 18th,
I got you.
Police showed up at the Tampa home of Tony Patterson, a registered sex offender who was told he was under arrest for voter fraud.
Voter fraud? What is voter fraud?
Voting when you're not supposed to, sir.
That same day, Ramona Oliver, who served 18 years on a second-degree murder charge, was arrested for voting illegally in 2020, even though she'd received a voter ID card from the state.
I'm like, voter fraud? I voted, but I ain't commit no fraud. And I was headed to work when y'all stopped me.
Patterson, Oliver, and 18 others were accused of violating a 2018 state law that allows most former felons to vote after they complete their sentences, but not those convicted of murder or felony sex offenses, as Patterson and Oliver were. They now face 5 years in prison. Florida Republican Governor Ron DeSantis touted the arrests that same day.
They did not get their rights restored, and yet they went ahead and voted anyways. That is against the law, and now they're going to pay the price for it.
The arrests were made following investigations by a controversial state police force established by the governor to investigate voter fraud. In the videos, first obtained by the Tampa Bay Times, Patterson tells a police officer he was misled.
Why would y'all let me vote if I wasn't able to vote?
I'm not sure, buddy. I don't know.
And that confusion is exactly what voting experts say shouldn't have been allowed in the first place.
If you're going to hold this high bar and say it's against the law, make it so that the person is notified from the outset. Don't allow them to go through the system and then after the fact go, gotcha.
Critics say part of the problem is that the Florida voter registration form doesn't say anything about which former felons can have their right to vote restored or which ones aren't eligible to vote. One of those arrested in August said a local DMV official told him he could register. Governor DeSantis' office didn't return our request for comment, Norah.
Ed O'Keefe, thank you very much.